Welcome to How to Draw a Symbol. Today we're going to learn how to draw a cactus. Let's start off by drawing a line that curves down from the top, rounds back up like so, back down and to the right, then straight down to the bottom. Then, mirror this line on the other side to finish off the shape. Next, draw some very short lines sticking out of the cactus with the needles going all the way around. Lastly, to add some texture, draw a very thin wavy line going from the top of the cactus all the way to the bottom, followed by another that curves to the left and goes all the way down, and another that curves to the right and goes all the way down. From the left arm, draw another very thin wavy line from the top, going along the arm and curving into this line here. Then, one on the right that does the same, and one on the left that goes all the way down to the bottom. Repeat those steps for the other arm. A thin wavy line from the top, another on the left, and one more on the right. Cacti come in many different forms, so experiment with different shapes and sizes. For example, you could make one arm higher than the other, or maybe just have one arm altogether. And now you've got a cactus.